We've learned something today. If you use Persil Bio concentrated, you only need 25 millilitres. We've been using 80 millilitres, so we get what's termed as excess foaming, and the result is lots of suds spewing out the door all over the floor. So, Carl at Carpenter's Washing Machines, reviewers was the Doddsworth Street, Darlington, gave us the advice, good old Carl, and the cure is we'll give it a wash through, get rid of the suds, and then obviously go on to the reduced dose, which is that, and not up to the top. Tip of the day. See you in the next one when I've mopped up the floor. So the suds have gone. It's gone through its final cycle. I've emptied it. I've pulled the filter out, nothing in there, and I've put it onto drum clean cycle. So we'll see how that pans out. So I just finish drying the floor, get the washer back in, and then lesson learned. So remember, Persil Bio Liquid. First marker on the cup, 25 ml, not to the top, which is 80 plus ml. Lesson of the day. See you in the next one.